guys, welcome back to another edition of Lawyered Up. Once again, I am your host, Jared Moore, and for the record, I am not a lawyer. If you guys have been following our coverage, you will know about the felony charges against Mvskoke Creek Nation National Council Representative Robin Whitecloud. If this is the first time you're hearing of these charges, there's links to our previous coverage in the description of this video. I also wanted to mention that I did a new playlist on YouTube specifically for the videos that we air about these charges. So if you guys want to just at any time go to our YouTube channel and get caught up on it, that will have the most up-to-date videos. This is going to be a short video just because there wasn't a lot that happened today. Again, Rep. Whitecloud appeared in court with her lawyer Ryan Kanani before Judge Nalani Ching. And basically what happened was Mr. Kanani stated that he had today filed 2 motions in the case. He didn't specify what those motions were, but one of those motions gave the prosecution 20 days to respond. And so the judge scheduled the next court date for April 6th. And at that, the judge asked, will we be hearing arguments at the April 6th hearing, which Mr. Kanani said, yes, he is going to present some arguments at that hearing. And then they discussed who was to pay for the court reporter if they needed a court reporter and so on. And that's basically what happened today. They set the next hearing date. As far as our coverage, I just wanted to get a quick video out to you guys so you could see what's happened today. As soon as we get access to those motions, we're going to go get copies of them, and I'll do another report on what those motions say. And it depending on when we get them, if the responses have also been filed, we'll talk about the responses. I just want to show you guys real quick while we're here. Let me pop this up. There we go. This is the district court's website, as you guys to this program have seen many times. We're going to go to court records. We're going to log in. We're going to go scheduling this time, court calendar. So let's scroll down here. Here is the list of all of the criminal cases today, but Rep. Whitecloud is in this second chunk. I'm just waiting on them to load up. Robin. Here we go. I'm going to click on her case. Let's see if this has been updated. I'm going to the ROA where the motions would appear. Let's scroll down here. None yet. So you can see here the last thing filed in this was on February 12th. You can see up here there wasn't a motion for an accelerated hearing, but that was in January. So the 2 motions that Mr. Kanani was talking about haven't been logged in here yet. And once they get logged in, we can go down to the court and we can request copies of them, and hopefully we can get them and then talk about them. Let's see if they've updated the hearings over here to show hearings. I do not see one for April 6th yet, so these records probably haven't been updated. But as soon as they get updated, we will let you know, and then we'll have some more coverage on it. Let me check out it. TY Pro, you're asking, Mvskoke Media covering the Justice on the Res conference and what's up Stitt's special prosecutor in the ODWC lawsuit. Well, let me take a look really quick, TY Pro. I can't do it on the laptop because I don't have the links there, but I can look on my streaming computer. Let me look really quick. You were asking about the ODWC lawsuit. I've got that bookmarked here. Let's look and see what happens here. Any developments? It looks like there haven't been any developments since we last spoke about it. There's been a respondent's response to petitioner's application to stay, But that's a response, so it's not a judge's order or anything. So not anything there. And then you were asking about the Justice on the Res conference. We haven't received anything about that, but I can Google it right now. On the Res conference 2026. It says Wednesday. Let's see here, Wednesday 3/11 through Thursday 3/12. Let me pop that up for you guys so you can see. And this is, you got to get registered to go to this. We could try to get special permission to get into this. We've covered these in the past. Typically what this is this, the Mvskoke Nation Attorney General is sponsoring the 2026 Justice on the Reservation Conference, a community event to address the epidemic of missing murdered indigenous peoples. Justice on the Reservation Conference entails a 2-day training and conference to promote prevention strategies, improved investigation techniques and tools, and prosecution as advocacy. So you've got to create a Whova account and then use the registration button below, install the Whova app. Well, we'll reach out to the AG's office and see if we can't get into this to give you guys an idea what it is. It looks interesting though. So, and then you can see here, this is on the Creek Nation's main page, that page, but I just Googled Justice on the Res 2026 and it came up. So we'll take a look at it there, TY. How many instances has the nation documented ODWC game wardens unjustly harassing our citizens so far? I have no idea on that front. So, but with that being said, I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and we're going to have another stream as soon as we get some more developments in Rep. Whitecloud's case. So, Mado Hadum, Chihichat Lees.